What could an extra Philippine peso 10,000 do for you right now? There could be a month's worth of groceries, a down payment on a new phone, or the start of your emergency fund. Now, what if I told you that you could earn that entire amount online, from the comfort of your home? Without any crazy investment or get-rich-quick nonsense. Forget the scams. Today, I'm going to show you 3 realistic and beginner-friendly ways to make your first Philippine peso 10,000 online. In the Philippines, we're talking about actionable steps you can start today. Stay until the end, because the last method is the one with the highest long-term potential. Let's be clear, this isn't magic. It requires effort. But the internet has opened up a world of opportunities that didn't exist a decade ago. You don't need a fancy degree or a huge amount of capital. What you need are skills you probably already have, a reliable internet connection, and the willingness to learn and put in the work. We're going to focus on strategies that leverage your existing talents and provide real value to people. Our first method is perfect for those who are organized or have good communication skills. Becoming a virtual assistant. The demand for VAs is exploding. Business owners, entrepreneurs, and content creators all over the world are desperate for help. This could be managing emails, scheduling social media posts, doing basic research. You don't need to be an expert in everything. You can start by offering just 1 or 2 services. So, how do you start? First, are you good with Canva? Offer basic graphic design. Are you a fast typist? Offer transcription services. Next, create a simple profile on platforms like OnlineJobs.ph. These are the biggest freelance marketplaces connecting Filipino talent with international clients. Your profile is your resume. Be professional, highlight your skills, and set a fair starting rate on. To get your first Philippine peso 10,000, you would only need to work about 35 to 45 hours. That's achievable in a few weeks of part-time work. The key is to apply consistently and deliver excellent work on your first few jobs. Our second method is for the creative minds, the writers, and the storytellers. Content creation and social media management. Every single business. They need blog posts, captions for their Instagram, scripts for their TikTok videos, and someone to manage their Facebook page. If you have a way with words or a good eye for social media trends, this is a goldmine. You can start by offering your services to small local businesses in your area. Many of them have zero online presence. Create a simple portfolio. Write a few sample blog posts, content for a brand you like. Then reach out. You can charge on a per project basis. And now for our third method, the one I believe has the most incredible long-term potential. Offering a specialized skill as a freelancer. This is a step up from being a general VA. This is about leveraging a specific skill you have. This could be video editing, graphic design, web development. But I don't have a high-level skill, you might say. You can learn one for free. The Google Digital Garage and countless YouTube tutorials can teach you the fundamentals of digital marketing or graphic design in a matter of weeks. Here's the secret to getting your first client. Don't just look for a job. Find a problem and offer a solution. Go to a local restaurant's Facebook page. Is it outdated? Are the photos blurry? Send them a message. Hi, I'm a local social media manager. I love your food, and I have some ideas on how to improve your Facebook page. Could I create 3 sample posts for you? For free? To show you what I can do? So, let's recap the action plan. 1. 2. Offer content creation to leverage your writing and social media skills. 3. Develop a specialized skill for higher pay and long-term growth. Making your first Philippine peso. It's within your reach. It's about taking that first step, being persistent, and believing in the value you can offer. You now have a clear roadmap to start earning online from the Philippines. Which of these methods are you most excited to try? Do you have another online side hustle that works for you? Share it in the comments, and let's build a community of earners. And if this guide has inspired you, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Work from Philippine peso 10,000 to Philippine peso 50,000 a month.